Toledo. Oh, this car up doesn't work. These I would assume are also Haughton because, you know, it's Toledo. Yeah, these are Haughton. That's a Haughton plate, just with the actual Haughton logo removed. Toledo elevator did the mod. Smells a little like wheat in here. Kind of quick. Can't complain about that. But you know what I can complain about? The fact that they're modded, because all mods would have been cooler. But still. You lose some, you lose some. What the heck was that noise? Strange. Turns it on now just for poops and giggles. Whoa, the brails fell off. Anyway, that's it.